Hey guys! Alright, today I am coming to you from a selfie stick because apparently my tripod just broke. Fun! Okay, so today we are going to be doing just a quick little homemade jewelry DIY situation. Been cruising around on Pinterest, pinning a whole bunch of things. And I think it's about time I actually start trying some of them. Instead of just like, oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Pin, 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 pin. And then, they'll just slowly start disappearing out of my Pinterest because people are deleting them or deleting their accounts or however it works. And then I just lose the things I wanted to try. And no skin off my back because I forget about them. But yeah, today we're going to start breaking that. I have a DIY homemade jewelry cleaner that I've wanted to try for a while, and I'm doing it. I'm doing it today. I currently, through my last couple videos, have not had earrings in because I wanted to clean them, and we're doing it. So yeah, I'm going to take you off the selfie stick and I guess show you what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm filming this. Wish me luck. Alright, here is our little setup for today. I have all my ingredients. I have my earrings in there. I've got hot water that I have previously boiled because I don't currently have hot water in the house. We have my little recipe right off Pinterest here that we're gonna go by. Okay, so like I was saying, here's our little recipe we're going by. All you need apparently is some Dawn dish soap, some baking soda, and salt. I had all those things in my house, so we're good to go. And this guy is my earrings we're going to be cleaning. So we have my screwdriver earring here. There's two of them. But yeah, lots of little nooks and crannies for this guy to get dirt into. The other one, and then I just have a little stud pair of sapphire earrings. So those are what we're going to be trying to clean. It doesn't give me, oh, it does give me instructions on how long. Okay, I didn't think it said how long to leave it, but it does. So, also sorry for this camera angle once again. Like, I don't know when my tripod broke between filming last time and then not touching it till right now. It will not hold my camera up. So your position not how I want you to be. But we're gonna make it work. Gonna make it work. Okay, so we are to combine the 1 tablespoon of salt. So I've got my tablespoon here. And we'll just fill this up. Imagine this is, whoops, to be coarse. Nice and flat in there. Throw that in my 1 cup of water here. 1 cup of hot water. Let that dissolve in there. Give that a little shaky shake. That didn't take long to go from clouded. Okay. Then we need 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. I just have the Great Value. Alright, that should be pretty good. I'd be more concerned about the clumps if I was baking with it, but I'm not baking with it right now. Get that all in there. That a little swishy swoosh. Looks good. And now we need 1 tablespoon dish detergent. So that's a pretty easy recipe to remember. It's just 1 cup hot water and then 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon Dawn, 1 tablespoon of salt. is nice grainy, gritty blue water. Actually smells like laundry detergent. Here's a look at our situation. Got nice blue. So basically I'm just gonna unscrew my earrings apart and drop them in. One sec. So there we go. If it'll focus, all unscrewed. But yeah, you can see like whoops. You can see the nastiness kind of built up inside everything here. It's gross. I don't like it. So that's why we're getting it clean today. So we'll go ahead and we'll just start dropping those in here. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my sapphires. If you know, sapphire is my birthstone, born in September. Ba-dink. Oh, I dropped both of them. Oh, I didn't have both of them. Ba-dink. And there we go. So we're going to let those sit for 10 to 15 minutes and see how those do. Oh my god, I just splashed myself. Yep, that's good. Put a lid on this. And then we'll swirl it around. Alright, we're lidded. I feel a little more safe to swish it. Oh god. This is like literally from one of those like cheese graters where you can fit the cheese grater on top and then close it so that it's not sealing. But yeah, we're going to let those sit now for 10 to 15 minutes. We will set an alarm here. Boop, 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 boop. I can't do this through my camera finder. There we go. Clock. Timer. Let's do just the 15. I got time today. There we go. 15 minutes and we'll be back and see what our earrings are looking like. Alright, alarm's just gone off. Let's see what we ended up with in here. Figure out how to try to fish them out. So we got our nice soapy, sudsy water. It's been working away in there. Grab a fork and I'm gonna try to find them. Aha. Oh my god, look at that. Like I've hooked it. That's too funny. Alright, let's get this water out of the way. Yes, yes, very nice. Let's set up a towel. Alright. Oh wow, that's so clean. Oh yeah, that's so much nicer. Brava, brava. Alright, dry that guy off. Yeah, that's so clean, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so shiny. But yeah, that got so clean. I'm impressed. That's super easy. So it looks like I may still have to get in there under the gem. I can't tell if it's just soap buildup or if it's still my gook in there. But it definitely cleaned most of it out. Yeah, I'm super happy with this. the best possible results I could ask for. I mean, I didn't think any of those 3 products could actually, so I hooked it, could actually damage it. But yeah, I just got to get in around some of the edges. You can see there's some like residue buildup. I think that's like the soap and the baking soda just built up along the edges. But other than that, dirt be gone. Well, that's that, guys. We got some nice clean jewelry. All thanks to 3 household products that probably everybody has. Just some salt, baking soda, Dawn, and then hot water. Super easy, 15 minutes. Just gave them a couple little swishes in a closed container, and that was a lot easier than actually trying to like hand clean them, take a little like needle and clean out everything. So thumbs up. Bam! Thank you, Pinterest. Can't wait to try some more. I think next up on the roster is clean some makeup brushes now that I'm been doing all this makeup playing. All right, guys, until then, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.